Hello, welcome back to the channel. Still doing the mk4 xr3i cabriolet restoration. We've put a patch in there. Still got that bit to repair, but we have got a panel here to go into that bit. Around the other side we have flattened the panel off. There's still a few holes in there. As you can see, there's a bit of torchlight coming through. But I ain't too worried about flattening off too much because that will be under sealed, so that will be covered up. We've still got that bit to do, and then we've got that to put on it, but don't know what it's going to be like. If anybody's used it and they think it's good, please leave a comment, and we'll see how we get on, and I shall come back a bit later with patches all in, hopefully.